Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Namya and you're watching Namya's Creation. As you all know, summer has came, so I'm going to share some summer drink with you all, which I hope that you would love and you would like to enjoy it sitting in front of your cooler and drinking it. So let's get started with my video. And if you are interested in watching my video, then please keep watching my video till end. If you like it, then don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I post my future videos. So let's get started with the first video. So in my first recipe, I am going to share a recipe of cold coffee. So for which the materials which are required, ingredients which are required are ice, coffee powder, dairy milk, of course milk and sugar. So I have taken here 1 cup of milk followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of coffee. I'm not going to use a lots of ice. Don't think I'm going to use this much of ice. So in your grinder, add your milk and then add your sugar, that is 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to link all the ingredients which are required as well as with the quantity in the comment box, in the description box. Add your ice. I'm using here 6 ice. It's completely upon you how much ice you like in your coffee, cold coffee. So now add your coffee powder, that is 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, and then dairy milk. So this was my mistake. I am adding my dairy milk like this. Don't add like this. Either you melt it or add Hershey's syrup in. Don't add directly like this. I have to melt it and then add once again. So then pour your cold coffee into a jar, and here I am having a coffee powder jar on which I have made holes, tiny holes. So I'm going to place my hand on a big hole and then I'm going to start sprinkling it. So this was a kind of hack which you can do with your coffee powder and decorate your coffee. So now I'm going to add some dairy milk which I have cut it into cubes. You can also use choco chips. And there was no point of adding it because it was just going inside. I thought it would be on the surface, so it's a kind of lol for me. No problem, it's just for taste. And also some ice. So add 2-3 ice cubes and add your straw, and now enjoy it. So it tastes awesome. I tasted it as well and it is tasting awesome, very nice, and it is very awesome for summer days. So now that was it for this recipe. Let's move on to our next recipe. So in my next recipe, I am going to share a recipe of a Snicker shake. So let's get started with our recipe. So in your grinder, add 2 Snicker bars. I like it a more chocolatey, so I have added 2 Snicker bar and half a cup of milk. If you are making it for 1 person, add half. And then ice cubes, of course. And then we are going to add a very tasty, of course, ice cream. So here I am using vanilla ice cream. I am using 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. It's completely upon you which flavor you want or how much you want to add in. So I am using vanilla ice cream, and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of dairy milk which I have melted. You can also use Hershey's syrup again. And then we are going to blend this. And then once it is blended, serve it in your glass, and don't spill like me. And let me tell you, there was some chunks of a Snicker as well, so I should have grinded nicely. So I would give you a tip that you should grind your Snicker bar first and then so I have added my ice cream and top it up with a Snicker bar, and I have also added some dairy milk which I forgot to show in my video. So let's move on to our next video. In my next recipe, I am going to make a recipe of mango shake. So I am again and again telling next video, sorry, I want to say next recipe. So add a bowl of mango. I have used here 1 mango. It's completely upon you, 1 2 3 how much you want mangoes in your in your mangoes in your mango shake, and I have also left it some of them for dressing. And next up I have added some ice cubes, and milk. I have added half cup of milk. If you are making for one person, add half cup of milk, because there also goes ice cubes and mango. So this is my key for doing this. And then we are going to add sugar. So I am using this 1 big tablespoon of sugar. And let me tell you, you can also add ice cream in this, that is vanilla ice cream or mango ice cream. It's completely upon you. I am not adding it, but you can. So I am adding this 1 big tablespoon of sugar. You can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This recipe is for one person. So you have to grind this and then pour it in your glass. So you can see how thick it has been, and it is looking so yummy, and it is also having some chunks of mango. So I know I have filled it a lot, but it looks awesome. Now I'm going to serve it with some garnish it with some chopped mango. It's completely optional. I'm just adding it for making it look prettier. So you can see how nice it has been. It's looking very nice, and it's very thick as well. It's completely appropriate for summer days. So just grab your mango and start making this. So I hope you have liked this video. If you do, then don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I post my future video. And in the comment box, you have to suggest me what recipe should I share with you all next. To inform you all that from tomorrow, that is on 12th, from 12th I'm going to start a series in which I'm going to share some Navratri Puja recipes as well as some Aarti decoration, which I'm going to make in short videos. So from 12th to 20th I'm going to continuously make all videos and upload for you all. So don't forget to watch that videos. I hope that it would come handy for you all. So please watch that video, and I'm going to do a lots of effort. So please help me and support me and subscribe my channel. So let's meet up tomorrow with our Navratri hacks. Bye bye. Next, this is my first recipe video. So thanks for watching, and bye bye, and happy summer.